Under the Connect CM initiative, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma spent several hours interacting with community members of the Laskein C&RD block during a public hearing session at Shangpung Museum, Laskein, West Janta Hills District yesterday. The Laskein C&RD block, one of the 3 blocks in West Janta Hills District, comprises 83 villages. Community members raised important issues. The Chief Minister instructed officials to address the issues and assured the public that while not all the problems could be solved immediately, their concerns would be addressed. He encouraged citizens to continue using the Connect CM initiative to voice their concern and suggestions.
And we are here to try and answer your questions, fix some of the problems that you may have. But while we try to do that, I also would like to say it's not possible for us to resolve all the problems today. And there could be some problems which we may not be able to resolve at all. But that does not mean that we shouldn't try. So therefore, we will try to understand your problems. We will try to resolve your problems. And if it is not possible to resolve immediately, how long will it take? Officials are here. We'll be able to answer to you directly. Number 2, while we ask our questions, please remember that we are all here as a team. Nobody is trying to dig out and find a problem with the system. We are all here to find a solution.